In this video, we will see about the Hadoop ecosystem. Before moving towards Hadoop ecosystem, you should know what is a Hadoop framework. So firstly, Apache Hadoop is an open source framework intended to make an interaction with big data easier. And big data is nothing but the data which is in large amount. Or we can say big data is a term given to data set which can't be processed in an efficient manner with the help of traditional methodology such as RDBMS. So to handle big data, to handle a large amount of data set, Hadoop has made its place in the industry and companies that need to work on large data set which are sensitive and needs efficient handling. So, in short, we can say that Hadoop is a framework that enables processing of large data set which reside in the form of clusters. So, being a framework, Hadoop is made up of several modules that are supported by large ecosystem of technology. So, Hadoop ecosystem is a platform which provides various services to solve a big data problem. It includes the Apache projects and various commercial tools and solutions. So the four major components of the Hadoop are HDFS, MapReduce, Yarn and Hadoop Common. So following are the components that collectively form a Hadoop ecosystem. First one is this one, that is HDFS. It is a Hadoop distributed file system. Second is HBase. It is a column database storage. So for data storage, HDFS and HBase, these two things are useful in Hadoop ecosystem. So, and when we are moving towards the data pre-processing, in that case Yarn is used. That is yet another resource negotiator. This is useful for providing a resources. After that, MapReduce is there for data pre-processing. MapReducing is a programming based data processing. So these two things, that is MapReduce and Yarn, are useful for the data pre-processing. And for accessing data, Hive, Pig, Mout, Avro and Scum, these five things are there. Hive is like an SQL. We can say that Pig and Hive, these two are the query based processing. These two, that is Hive and Pig, these two are the query based processing of data services. And then next one is HBase, this one. So this is a NoSQL database. And Spark, Mout, these are the machine learning algorithm for the libraries. And this Solar, this one, Solar as well as the Lucene, these two things are the useful for searching and indexing. And next is Zookeeper, this one, that is used for managing the cluster. And OZ, this one, it is useful for the job scheduling. So first we will see about the HDFS. HDFS is the primary or major component of the Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop ecosystem is responsible for storing large dataset of structured or unstructured data across the various nodes. So we can say that HDFS is very important component of the Hadoop ecosystem. It contains the two components. First one is HDFS contains the two components. First one is name node and second one is data node. Name node is same as the metadata. Metadata is nothing but the data about data. Like name node is like a data about data. Second is what? Data node. Data node that stores the actual data. It stores the actual data, and it name node is stores the data about data. These two things are the present in HDFS, data about data. And also we can say that HDFS maintains the all coordination between clusters and this maintains the all coordination between clusters and hardware. So we can say that it is an heart of the systems. Because of that, HDFS is important. After HDFS, YARN is one of the main important component of the Hadoop ecosystem. YARN is nothing but the yet another resource negotiator. In short, we can say that it performs the scheduling, resource allocation for the Hadoop ecosystem. The major component of the YARN are, this is the one of the major component of Hadoop ecosystem. Second major component of the Hadoop ecosystem is YARN, and YARN contains the resource manager, second is node manager, and third one is application manager. So resource manager has the privilege of allocating resources for the application in the system. Second is node manager. Node managers works on the allocation of the resources such as CPU, memory, bandwidth per machine, and later on acknowledge the resource manager. And last one is application manager. It works on interface between resource manager and the node manager. So we can say that application works in between, or we can say that application manager is an interface between resource manager and node manager. So these three are the major component of the Next is what? MapReduce. MapReduce is one of the major component of the Hadoop ecosystem. What this MapReduce do? MapReduce makes it possible to carry the over-processing logic and helps to write application which perform the big data set into manageable one. It contains the two major functions. First one is map function, second is reduce function. Map perform the sorting and filtering of the data, and after that it organizes them in the form of group. And second is reduce. As its name suggests, it does the summarization of aggregating the mapped data. These two are the component of MapReduce. One is map function, second one is reduce function. After that, pig is there. What is a pig? Pig is basically developed by Yahoo, which works on a Pig Latin language. It is a query based language similar to SQL. It performs for structuring the data flow. Main function of the pig is structuring, processing and analyzing use data set. This is the main use of pig. Pig does the work of executing command, and in the background all activities of MapReduce are taken care of after the processing. Pig stores the result in HDFS. Pig helps to achieve the ease of programming optimization. Hence, we can say that it is a major segment of the Hadoop ecosystem. After Pig, one of the major component is Hive. Hive, it is a SQL methodology and interface. Hive performs the reading and writing of large data set. However, its query language is called as HQL. That is Hive query language. Again, we can say that it divided into, or Hive contains the two major components. First one is JDBC and second one is Hive command. So this is the Hadoop ecosystem structure.